These last few months, you, me, and Paolo, we've been happy, right? Mm-hmm. Paolo's selling his house. He's giving up his job. He wants you and I to go to Africa and live with him. He wants to take care of us. Wouldn't it be fun to make a new start? In a new place?
Yeah.
I am alone. Over the years, I've become good at being alone. And yet, I am never alone. I'm surrounded by Africa. I'm surrounded by life. It is a gift I did not expect.
It's a snare. It's buried in the leg and cuts off the blood supply till the animal can't walk, and then the poachers, they just come along and pick it off.
When I'm through in Mombasa,
I'll pick up her cradle. Should be ready by now. It would be beautiful.
There was an accident on the Shimoni Road. A truck. They say it was all over.
No. No! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
To bury a husband was hard. To bury my son is against nature and a pain which words cannot tell. Finally, all we can do is to let the days instruct us. And know that the only gift worth having is the grace to go on with the job to be done, the people to love, and knowing what we love we can never lose. There is no holding on in this world. We came to this extraordinary place, and Africa let us lead extraordinary lives. Then Africa claimed an extraordinary price. That was Africa's privilege, and now it is my privilege to look after Africa herself.
Bye-bye.